Hello everyone, I am Triveni and I am a student of MIT Academy of Engineering R&D Pune. So in this presentation I will talk about applying high pass filter to audio signal, and my group mates are Vaishnavi, Shardula and Jaya, and this project is guided by Nutan Bansodima. So from this PPT we will going from introduction, then introduction of a fire filter, then literature survey, implementation process and algorithm, MATLAB code, output response, that means filter parameter, magnetic response and phase response, then result, and at the end conclusion. So about the introduction. So as we know that HPF, it attenuates the content below the cutoff frequency. So with the development of communication technology, voice communication has become major communication medium for the people to transmit the information more conveniently. So therefore, to reduce the noise on the performance of voice communication, improve the quality of the voice communication and voice denoising for the technology has become a hot research topic. So that we will discuss the various type of audio filtering that will help to overcome the noise related problem. So let's see what is the FIR filter. So FIR filter, it is very attractive because it is inherently stable filter, and this filter can have long transient response and might prove computationally expensive in the certain application. And IR filter are commonly used in the audio equalization, biomedical sensor, signal processing, IoT smart sensor, etc. So about literature survey, so very first literature survey, that is improved audio filtering using extended high pass filter. The author of this paper are Radhika Bhagat and Ramadip Kaur, and this journal paper is published in International Journal of Engineering Research and Technology. So the main concept and main contribution of this paper is doubtly noise reduction used the low pass and high pass filter and FIR and IR filter. So noise filtering improvements were assessed for both noise reduction and the signal. So that means the time domain audio processing, and this algorithm perform filtering operation by the computation of different equation. Then second literature paper is an adjustable window of FIR filter, and this journal paper is written by MD Atlab Hossain, Mitun SH IL2 and Wuthon Nagothang Sun 4. So the main contribution of this paper is that the audio signal processing in an engineering field that forces the computational method for intentionally altering the auditory signal for the sound, and now for this the proposed window based filter is 3 times higher than the Gaussian filter and Kaiser filter individually. So program and its algorithm. So in short I will tell very first that in very first stage we will read all type of audio file by the help of function of audio read. Then by the help of FD tool function we will set all the filter parameter and export it into the workspace. Later that we will insert some random noise into the signal in order to corrupt it. Then we will usually we will filter the signal by help of the filter functions, and we will store it in the output signal into the variable. Then we will plot some signal in time as well as the frequency domain, and the very last we will listen to the input noisy output audio file for the comparison and write the file in the desired dictionary. So now we will see the mat. So this is the MATLAB code for this. So very first block is for defining the variable and read all the audio file from our PC or from our surrounding. After that, a second plot is for the read in the file. Then we will run this. Then after that, we will get some output in the workspace. Now it's time to add some low pass frequency. That means we have given here noisy frequency 100 hertz, 200 hertz, and 300 hertz. And now after running this, we will get some uh, some output, and now we will add some audio file to it. So for that we will go to the store file option, and from store file option we can choose HPF applications. That means the noise which we have to give to the program. After that we will change the response type, that means from low pass to high pass, and FIR to windowing method. And then we will get such type of graph for this. Then we will generate some MATLAB code, and with the object file. Then after running this, we can again run this program, and we can see that very first block of get filtering signal, and then combined plotting and frequency domain. So in this we will get some graph like original, noisy, and after processing spectrum. Then again we will add some noise, and then we will see what changes happened in that graph. That means we can see all the parameters of that graph, and then we will run next block to listen.
But what if somebody decides to break it? Be careful that you keep adequate coverage, but look for places to save money.
Maybe it's taking longer to get things square.
Such type of noise.
But what if somebody decides to break it? Be careful that you keep adequate coverage, but look for places to save money.
Maybe it's taking longer to get things square.
This is noisy signal.
But what if somebody decides to break it? Be careful that you keep adequate coverage, but look for places to save money.
Maybe it's taking longer to get things square.
And this is the filtered signal. So such type of code, filter parameter which we have seen in the MATLAB. This is magnitude and phase response graph which we have already seen. Then this is combined result. This is combined result of spectrum, and very last conclusion. So in this project we had done study of on high pass filter, and FDA tool has been very essential things to design the filter. FDA stand for filter design and analysis tool. So in this project we have firstly add some noisy signal with frequency 100, 200, and 300 hertz, and we have applied some high pass filter to remove all the bass from it. And in applying the filter we put threshold of 350 hertz, and that means frequency below 350 hertz are not allowed. When you have to change the frequency, then you have to change the threshold frequency. So the high pass filter is working properly by removing the noise also. This all from my side. Thank you very much.